Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jen J. It's been a while, but y'all know how I do. Okay, this is a video that I wanted to film today. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial, but life is not working out as I planned it to. So we're gonna make a lemonade with our lemons. We're going to do our hair. Why not? My hair is looking a little dry, a little dull. It's seen better days, so we're going to revive it. I am going to film my tutorials tomorrow because we're not quitters. We're gonna do it anyway. So tonight I am hoping to set my hair, perhaps do a little something with it so that I'll be cute tomorrow. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. So for my hair tonight, I have water, I have a hairbrush because we are going to still put this bad boy into a puff. I have my edge control. I've been loving the Up North Natural edge control for my 4C edges. You guys know how it is with 4C hair. Edge control for who? Not 4C hair. I have a twisting cream. This one is the Pure Oils line by Silk Element. I like it. I also have, what else do I have? That's about it. I'm only going to be using this to moisturize my hair. I'm not going to be twisting it up. At least not that I'm not planning on doing that. But you know how it goes with hair. I think I am way overdue to give you guys a little bit of a hair update. Okay, so back in February, I think, I had a weave, a frontal, that left me bald, and fast forward to now, my hair is grown back. I'm so excited. Okay, I have to tell you. All right, so let me show you what happened, what's going on to the front of my hair. Like, if you look at it this way, you can't even tell why, because this spot grew back. Real MVP. So yes, my hair grew back. I'll show you. Okay, so here it is. This is the spot that used to be bald, and now we got hair. And not only do we have hair, we got hang time, boo-boo, okay? All right, I'm good. Am I good? I'm good. And so my edges are also doing a lot better. Granted, I've been leaving them alone. I try not to style them or over style them. I try not to lay these bad boys because what's the point? They don't listen anyway. And I try not to put any tension on my edges. Granted, I've been rocking this puff all week. I put a little tension on it this week, just a little. Hopefully you're not mad at me and they're still here. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's just do a little treatment tonight while we do our hair. Just in case, my edges wants to revolt or something. So they know that I love them. Let's do that. So before you start asking what I've been using to grow my edges back, so I have the Miracle Drop as well as the GS by Sedora hair oil. I can't tell you which one works best, although I feel like I like the Miracle Drop a little bit better just because it's lighter and it smells a little bit better. It smells fruitier. Not that the GS smells bad, but it just smells more like herbs, while the Miracle Drop smells like, I don't know, like some sort of like candy from my childhood. I like them both. I've been using both. So we're gonna be using this one tonight. So for my hair, we are going to start by just, I hate doing this because the water's cold and I don't like the cold water on me. We're going to mist our hair lightly just because we can't do anything with our hair until it's a little damp. You know how it is with 4C hair. I'm also going to be using a little bit of the styling lotion from Up North Natural. I actually don't mind their line at all. It's a little light. For example, the styling lotion, it's light for my hair, but sometimes you don't need something heavy. And as much as I like using butters and shea butter, etc., sometimes you just want a little moisture, just a little refresher. Nothing too heavy, nothing that's gonna leave a big old grease ball on your pillow. You know what I mean. My hair feels better already. It feels nice, feels soft. I'm gonna follow up with the tantalizing twisting cream. I was just talking about how, you know, we don't want anything too heavy. I wanted to do a little design in the front. I don't know if I'm feeling that. I haven't even started, I'm already getting lazy. We're looking okay. I think you see where I'm trying to go with this. That's as much braiding as we're going to do for tonight though. Okay, so for the rest of my hair, I think I'm just gonna put it in twist and then tomorrow do a puff, right? It's gonna look cute. So of course I look crazy. Still look I'm going for, you know? The hobo chic. Yeah, I'm going to go to bed. I'm gonna leave my hair like this, and tomorrow I'm gonna take these out. What I'm hoping for is not so much definition. I just want my hair to be stretched a little bit. And yeah, we're gonna do our edges. We're gonna put into a nice high puff. I think it'll look cute. Just the right amount of detailing in the front, but not too much. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. I hope you guys slept well. Here we are the next day, bare face, hair wrapped. We're gonna do the thing and hopefully our hair turns out good because we have no other option. Whatever happens today, we'll have to make do, basically. Okay, I see what we tried to do last night. I'm gonna go in with some hair mist by Up North Natural. So my mom took my hairbrush. So I have two brushes. I have a soft bristle brush, sort of like this, something that's easily bendable. And I have this bad boy. This is what you call a natural hair ripper, okay? Because it's so hard, the bristles don't move. This thing will rip your hair out. So I don't want to use it, but this is so small. And the perfect one that I have, my mom took. I swear when my mom comes around, she just comes shopping in my beauty room. She just, you know, grabs whatever she feels like she wants or need at the time. And it won't even tell me. So then when I come looking for my things, I can't find them. And I know because she's been around, but I can't really ask her because she's a Haitian mother and she'll be all like, I don't even need your brush. And that's not even the point, Mom. Okay, so let's just use this little thing to try to shape our hair, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of hair jelly. I have this super stretch out goodie hairband. Look how wide this thing is. So when I did my puff tutorial on Instagram, which should also be posted on YouTube, so many people ask me, where did I get this thing? This is a regular goodie hairband. Nothing special about it. The only thing is that it's been stretched out to its maximum capacity. Like there is no elastic capacity left to this thing. The reason being is it's gone through a few heads, okay? So my boyfriend has LOCS, long ones, and he uses these ones to put around his head, obviously, to keep his hair off his face. And as they start getting wider and wider, then I'm like, ooh, can I have it? So then I take it and then I abuse it like this. So I literally like stretch it out, because when I do my puffs, I want to be able to do it in 2 and sometimes 3, but then I don't want it to put any tension in my hair. So this is what this is. It's nothing special. It's just an abused goodie hairband. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's put our hair into a puff. Okay, I really don't like it. How do I fix this? I don't like the fact that this doesn't show, because this is supposed to be the start of the show. And I don't know what's going on back there. Maybe I should try to do a lower puff. Ooh, maybe 2 puffs. No. And my scalp has been so sensitive lately. Okay, you know what? I think I just want to start over. I want to wet my hair and do a regular puff. Is that drastic? Okay, think, Jen, think. I spent all this time last night braiding my hair. I don't see this working out. It could have been cute. Okay, so I'm back. And you would never believe what I just did. First of all, I co-washed my hair. Second of all, I went to the store to get a hairbrush. And guess how much I paid for this? $30. I kid you not, I just paid $30 for this hairbrush. Between you and I think I'm gonna keep the receipt because I may just return that bad boy. I don't know if I can sleep at night knowing that I paid $30 for a soft bristle brush. Like, this is $5 at the beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure I paid like $2 for the one I had before. 30. Okay, you know what? Let's just do our hair. Like I said, I co-washed. We're gonna start over. There is nothing that gets your hair feeling good like a reset button, okay? Like, just reset, co-wash, just start over, you know? I'm sorry I tried to style you here. We're gonna do the same steps that we wanted to do before, which is moisturize and apply gel and brush and put it in a puff. So what we're gonna do. Let me get my moisturizer though. Alright, so for my butter, I'm going to be using Up North Naturals hair butter. I really like this butter. It's nice and thick. It's moisturizing. Love it. So now we're gonna use our super expensive hairbrush, and I expect miracles now. I don't want to cut the packaging out because, you know, just in case I return it. I'm not joking. I'm gonna be at the store like, it just didn't work for me. Ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Nothing special about it. This is what a $30 brush looks like in the suburb. And what does the packaging say? It says it's going to give you edges, it's going to grow your hair nice and long. I'm kidding. Smooth and shine. Boar collection for all hair types, for all hair lengths. Professional. Natural boar bristle distributes scalp's own oil to leave hair silky and shiny. Okay, I talked all the smash about it, but it's actually, it feels really nice. Oh, I love me a good puff. It just snatches your face up, gives you a little like facelift. Love it. What is this? I'm trying to be great today, okay? If you haven't noticed, I'm going above and beyond to look good. Get out of here. There we go. For my edges, I am going to use the only edge control that seems to work for me lately. It is the Up North Natural Edge Control. I also have a little brush that I use. I'm not an expert when it comes to laying down my edges. My edges are very, they're rough, okay? They're mean, they don't want to be laid. But we're gonna try to do something with these edges. All right, we're not doing bad right now. What do we think? you guys. Today has been saved. Everything's looking up. I don't want to mess around with it too much. I do want to get these a little closer to it like that. But let's try. You know what? Let me not mess around with it. I'm pleased with the results. So, okay, right now, I'm just gonna lay down the front. It's a good day. All right. I'm also going to tie the rest of my hair down, just so my hair looks real snatched later. Yes, honey, I'm looking good. Everything just fell into place. I don't know what I was trying to do with my hair before, but this worked out. Saved by the puff, as usual. You can't go wrong with a puff. You can't go wrong with a good puff. You know what I mean? And it's just so easy to do. The puff is the wash and go for 4C hair, okay? I don't care what anybody says. Wash and goes is too much work. A puff, you can do that in 20 minutes, tops. Yes. If you're interested in this makeup look, it's been filmed. If it's uploaded, I'll link it over here. But yes, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Before you get up out of here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.